Did you know Ricketts Glen State Park has one of the most stunning waterfall trails in Pennsylvania, with 22 named waterfalls along just one hike? The fall trail takes you through a gorgeous old-growth forest and lets you see cascades that drop as much as 94 feet, like the incredible Ganoga Falls. Beyond the waterfalls, the park covers over 13,000 acres and is home to tons of wildlife. There's even a lake for swimming and kayaking. So if you love chasing waterfalls and exploring Pennsylvania's natural beauty, Ricketts Glen is one park you can't skip. Have you ever been here? And if not, you should definitely add it to your list.